Hey everybody, James with Sweetfish here. I want to announce our newest series inside of B2B Growth. The series is dedicated to manufacturing, and it will be hosted by my good friend, Todd Hockenberry. Todd is the founder of Top Line Results, where he consults and coaches industrial and manufacturing companies on growth. He co-authored a book published by Wiley called Inbound Organization, and he's also the co-host of the Industrial Executive Podcast. Make sure to subscribe. Todd is a wealth of knowledge when it comes to lead gen, biz dev, and inbound marketing, and he loves distilling that know-how to fit the context of the industrial and manufacturing space. You're about to hear a quick snippet from Todd's first episode, and the full episode will be going live tomorrow. If you want to keep up with all of Todd's episodes, make sure to be on the lookout for episodes with hashtag manufacturing at the beginning of the headline. All right, here's a little preview from Todd's very first episode of the manufacturing series for B2B Growth.
And that's the problem, folks. You've got to know where your customers are. Seems simple, but it's not as simple as you think. So what you have to do is you have to identify not only where your equipment or where your products are being shipped, but who's using them, who the people are in those companies. And that means you have to have some kind of marketing automation and sales automated tool, a CRM of some sort that allows you to keep track of who you need to talk to. I'm not talking about prospects. I'm just talking about customers right now. You've got to create a tool and a system that allows you to keep track of the people that are the ones that you need to be in touch with the most. And why is this important? It should be obvious, but it isn't. Up to 15 to 20% of your database can go bad every year. People change jobs, people leave, people move around. The person who bought your equipment or installed your equipment or bought your component or consumed your service in the past is up to 20% of those people are going to be gone, moved, and different this year versus last year. So in a few years, your significant portion of your database is going to turn over. So you've got to know who those people are. You've got to have a tool that allows you to follow up with them and keep track of who those people are.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that snippet from Todd's brand new manufacturing series. Be on the lookout for the full episode to go live tomorrow, and make sure to keep your eye out for future episodes with hashtag manufacturing at the beginning of the headline. To connect with Todd on LinkedIn, just search Todd Hockenberry and he'll pop right up. Thank you so much for listening.
We totally get it. We publish a ton of content on this podcast, and it can be a lot to keep up with. That's why we've started the B2B Growth Big Three, a no-fluff email that boils down our 3 biggest takeaways from an entire week of episodes. Sign up today at sweetfishmedia.com/big3. That's sweetfishmedia.com/big3.